This is hair dryer Peba. But this is my bro. He didn't.
温州，浙江温州。
We don't have no parents.
浙江温州最大皮革厂江南皮革厂倒闭了。又。
Oh, that's not gonna be right. This is gonna do it. But because what are you doing? You said. I doesn't mean to be right to fall to war and you.
家伙多有活力呀！
妈，我小吃烤羊肉，吃大块的，2块够了，谢谢妈，妈妈真好。
Can you help me fix you hips? Speaking out Chinese now. I decided to make all the different calls. Because.
是一瞬间的事情，也许。
Right to the 4. Okay, and that's gonna be 4. Okay. I'm sorry. Okay. No. I'm sorry. Okay, that's right. And now it's gonna be 4. Okay, that's right. That was gonna be now. Hello. What's happening? What is that? The patient is here. What? It's gonna be. Not this. I can see you for it. I can see you. Then the star from.
说快一点。
Because I have an idea. We play champion, and it's called a Peba for a helicopter, and this chopper gone. And playing with the bubbles and go and call it pop. And he exploded with the hair dryer. Now we call Dr. Knock. Now we saw a fun. We go to the. Now we fix it now. And we replace our new. Falling now. My brother he's speaking Chinese now. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna be grounded. I'm gonna. You're not gonna arrest my brother. He's my chopper and baby. Called. But because it doesn't be.
别急。
I'm not as me. Okay. Hey, look! Caught a billion! You caught a baby, Pibby. Chopper. Million. Look, ducks. Ducks. Look at this. New neighbors. New neighbors. No neighbors. Oh, yeah. Because I doesn't mean to make her for, because I doesn't be, It doesn't be okay. I'm gonna arrest him, and you're gonna be grounded. Because okay, that's it. We gonna fix it. Yes, we're gonna fix it. Yes. I'm gonna fix it now. Fire, and we're gonna fix it. We're gonna fix it today. What you gonna write? What the fuck?
年关将至，请大家注意好防火防盗，深夜不要独行，走路不要看手机，不要轻信手机收到的中奖、贷款等信息。最后，祝大家新年快乐！